Hi, hope you are well. My informational blogging website was hit by Google spam update last year in October. Until now, I tried my best as an SEO expert, but I do not recover the site. Okay, so you want the help? I have a good news and a bad news. So the good news is that you can get it back and get it ranked as well. And the bad news is that you have to be patient and you have to be consistent in case if you want to get it done. So first of all, you need to be relaxed, you know, rather getting emotional. You have to work strategical to get it sorted out. Okay. So if I was at your situation and one of my website got hit by a Google spam update, what I'm gonna do, okay, is I'm going to sort list down all my pages, okay, and now I'm gonna work on improving content and content structure. Okay, I believe that more than writing a unique article, it's much more important to work on the content structure, because the structure is how user is going to read your content. And I as a writer want my user to read the article full, because I worked a lot on writing that article. So I want my user to read it at least, because I spent money, I spent time on doing research and analysis, and then I came up writing an article. So to make sure that your user actually reads your content, create a content structure which can encourage your user to read that article. I also will try to work on improving content where research is necessary, where there are small articles, I'm going to write more articles. So first thing is first that I'm going to work on my content. Second thing is I have to add consistently new articles. Okay, regardless of even I get a response or not, I have to come up with a consistent article theme. Okay, how many articles? 3 to 4 articles again a week, or 7 articles a week is a preferred. An article a day, just like an apple a day. So that is a much more improved strategy. Now I have to work on my technical SEO. I'm going to work on my backlinks. Now I'm not saying offsite, internal backlinks, internal linking of each post. One post with there are any link errors, I have to sort them out. Links not working, any then optimizing my website speed using CDN, optimizing images, check of my plugins, removing unnecessary plugins. Okay, checking of theme. I will also work on Google Search Console. I will now work on two to three things over here. On Google Search Console, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, number one, look around on those articles which are in top 100 positions for their target keyword. Okay. There is another thing which I'm gonna do is I'm gonna update my date of all articles. All articles. Okay, once I figure out those pages which are in top 100 positions, then I have to create relevant supporting content, or even better is I look on my competitors and find some long tail keywords relevant to my main keyword and target those keywords. Focus on those and create my own content strategy, content writing strategy based on that. I also gonna look on articles which are ranked nowhere. Either I'm gonna update those articles with new content or improve content, or I'm gonna delete those articles, because these are dead pages on my website and I do not want, and then use a 302 redirection on those articles, on those pages, to main domain or relevant article domain or relevant article page. Okay, that is going to be my content writing strategy. I'm also gonna look on any error or issues on search console. If there is a speed error, if there is a mobile issue, mobile friendly, or any issues, then I'm going to look on. I'm also going to look on search console for any pattern of decline, like when it started declining, what I did on that day, or did I change a theme? I look on my theme. So, or anything, any activity which I did, I'm going to analyze it through Google Search Console and through my own observations, and then I'm also gonna work on my backlink profile. Okay, I'm gonna look on my backlinks on Google Search Console, remove unnecessary, irrelevant, or those or those links which came out of nowhere. Okay, I'm gonna look on them and I'm gonna sort my strategy. Even I have to disable links, so I can disable links which are spammy or harm or doing more harm for my website. I'm gonna also look on relevancy of those, from the pages through which my backlink is coming, relevancy of those pages, and number of outbound links on those pages. Because through, if there are a lot of outbound links on that pages, I have to disable, because that is not what I wanted. Okay, once I am done with the Google Search Console, once I am done with the analyzing my technical SEO, I'm going, and even in technical SEO there are a lot of things which I have to work on my domain, on my other things. And once I'm done with all these things, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna now move on to RF. Okay, and I have to do keyword research. Okay, plus I also have to do Google search and look on my competitors. What made them rank? Is your content better than them? That is also your strategy. And with RF, I am going to do my keyword research. I'm going to add my website over there, see my current rankings, where I can improve, where I can find new keywords. I can try to get ranked. And now comes an important part, and that is the backlinks part. I'm going to put the backlinks at the last. Okay, you can see that the backlinks are not my priority, even with a spam update. Even Google hit, because if your content is good, Google will now. If your Google doesn't include your website, Google is going to miss it. Make your content such a worth that if your content is not included in Google search, Google is missing out an amazing piece of information, which if they could have delivered to their users, the users were very happy. So if your content is like this, you have to focus on your look out on your Google Analytics as well. Look on your bounce rate, do people come again in 30 days, average visitor duration, factors like this. This can help you analyze on either people like your content or not, or through the expectations through which people came to your website, were they satisfied or not. You can even use a heat map as well to analyze which part of your content gets the most attraction, And then now let's move again back to the Google backlinks part. The backlinks, I would have work on doing social signals. Now because I once we figured out and tested over the bad links, now we are going to work on new links. I'm going to work on blog comments, in case if you can do, but PBN, but I do not recommend PBN, but rather what you can do is you can do guest posting on relevant sites, generate Quora question answers links, work on your social profiles, because in case of your natural social profiles gets improved, that authority, that traffic will help you in winning back the trust of Google again. So work on those things, work on blog comments, work on guest posting, work on Quora backlinks. Even you can work on forum links, create Google My Business profile if possible, build citations and links for that as well. That can also help you in getting authority for your main website. Work on YouTube channel. Okay, thing is that because YouTube is a project of Google, and Google do rank YouTube domains, and because YouTube DA domain authority is powerful, so in case if you create videos consistently on a specific topic, Google will eventually start to rank on Google search as well. And you can have your link in description, and that can help as well. Link in description can help as well for your main domain. So work on YouTube channel, work on other videos. Building links through YouTube videos is a good chance of getting more traffic and ranking, improved ranking. Even I have seen that running Google ads, because I have seen it that running Google ads can improve your organic rankings, because in various case studies I have seen that once you start getting consistent Google ads traffic, you will eventually see a slight improvement in its organic ranking as well. Maybe Google thinks that the visitor is the site is real, which is why they're spending money on Google ads. Otherwise fake sites do not spend money, or their ad doesn't get approved on Google ads. So in case of a website is getting traffic from Google ad, it means that their ad in website has been approved by Google ads team. It means that they are legitimate or they are legal. So that also helps in getting your ranking improved. But again, with anyhow, you for backlinks you can look out on your competitor profile, what kind of links they are getting, if they are getting from a certain website, certain authority, PBN, or whatever their strategy is. You can follow that strategy as well. They can help you, but your content should be the main game, and any issues in your website. So technical work on technical SEOs to determine unnecessary or ignorable points. You can have 404 links error on your website. You don't know that your images are not working. So there are so many things even in technical SEO, which can be a reason for your account, for your website getting affected on Google. Sorry for this. Your website can get affected for Google rankings. So which is why I recommend you to follow these strategies. I hope you like my video regarding, I just came out regarding for those people who got their website hit from Google spam update, and they are looking to get their website back up and running. So yeah, I shared few of the ideas. In case if you are looking for personal consultation or services or working with us, you can find the details in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.